Hi, boys and girls. We are in the season of spring, and spring is a wonderful time of the year. When you look around, new life is coming, things are green, and there's just a fresh new birth of the things around us. And as we study our plants unit, I wanted to introduce this little activity and complete it with you right now. You are welcome to make your own at home, but we can use this demonstration throughout the couple weeks to come as we prepare for Easter. It's a wonderful opportunity to be reminded of our Savior and the resurrection. So we are going to make a resurrection garden. And with that, you will need, if you're going to make one at home, some soil, some grass seed, twigs, a planter plate, and then a little pot or dome bowl. This is actually a little ice cream bowl, but it's going to work perfect. So here we go. First, what I'd like for you to do is you're going to scoop out your dirt and spread it all around in your pot. You can even kind of go up and over your dome if it'll allow you to. A little more. You're able to mold your dirt carefully when you moisten it and you add some water in there. So if you kind of want to spread it up, I want to hide my ice cream bowl, which is why I'm going up and over. Anybody guess what this is starting to look like? It's called a resurrection garden. What might this look like? It's starting to look like a tomb. So I have my soil in here. Next, I want to add some rocks that we grabbed just out of our front yard. And we're going to decorate that almost like a little pavement in front of the tomb. And you can use as many as you would like. Maybe if you have river rock or little prettier rocks, that would look even more fun. So next you have your twigs. Now you are going to tie your twigs together in the formation of a cross, and you can hot glue them together, or you can use some yarn or ribbon and wrap them together. And so I have already done that, and I have 3 right here because Jesus was not the only one that was crucified that day. There was 2 others crucified with him. So we will stick that back behind the tomb, right inside the dirt there. This is going to need a little more dirt. And again, I can put that there and pack it down with the water. There we go. So now I have the 3 crosses there. Now I'm going to take my grass seed and just sprinkle it all over the dirt. Try not to get your grass seed where your rocks are, but sprinkle it all around where you have placed your dirt. We are looking good over here. Now I'm going to spray my seed. Sprinkle just a little bit of dirt back on top of the seed. And then we are going to wait. We have about 2 weeks until Easter, and we're going to watch this and see what happens over these next couple weeks. Give it one more spray down, and don't forget to add your stone to cover up the tomb, and you have your resurrection garden. So over the next couple weeks, we're going to kind of watch and see what happens with our grass seed. So get ready to check in and observe this over the next couple weeks.